Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the text box in your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To insert the text box in Microsoft Office Word, you just go to the insert option here. Then click on the drawing option here. Now you can see an option called text box. Click this. Now draw the text box here, that what the size that you want. Then now type the text that you want. So I just going to type as text box in a bigger size actually. So after typing, you can also customize the text options from here itself. First I just going to select the entire text, go to the text option here, change the size. So you can just also type that size like this. You can resize the text box is according to your use. You can change the color, strike, underline, everything, and also change the shape. You can also fill the shape color like this. If you don't want this clicking is white, or you can change the color that you want, and you can also choose the outline border color if you want. Okay, after creating the text box, you can just resize the text box by like this, and you can also center the text in your text box by the alignment option and arrangement, and click save and close. Now your text box has been inserted here. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more videos about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.